and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey! Ever wondered about the ultimate green passive income idea? Well, guess what? It's selling stickers. And not just any stickers, there's a crazy demand for couple stickers. The only catch? Designing them can be a bit of a hassle. You need loads of ideas, expensive tools, and there's that tendency to overthink things. Plus, you need technical skills and time, right? But what if I told you there's an easy way out? HD quality, hi-fi unique designs, and it's a piece of cake. How? With our 1,500 plus done-for-you couple stickers, specially crafted for this upcoming Valentine's Day. No kidding. Just download, print, and boom, you're ready to make some easy money. But hold on, it gets better. You can resell those same stickers on other platforms and keep that cash flowing. And here's the kicker, no fancy tools, no subscription charges. It's like the universe saying, here's your easy peasy passive income. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the link below, snatch up these 1,500 plus done-for-you couple stickers at the lowest launch price, and let the money-making party begin. Thanks a bunch.